What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and today we're talking about secure shell protocols and why this is important for high level users using WordPress. Now, secure shell protocols is really just going to give you an added layer of security and give you a little bit more control over your servers when using WordPress. So let's dive right in. In order to access SSH, all we have to do is go to our WordPress site, then go to Advanced Settings. And then when we scroll down on the server settings page, we'll be able to access our SSH. Now, this is going to allow you to do more useful admin tasks with your WordPress site, give you a little bit more security functionality and much more. So let's click enable here, and then we can click enable just like that. Now, once we enable our SSH access, we'll have to give it a few things, namely our key, passphrase, public key, and we can do all of this by importing a key from a file. So I'm going to walk you through how to do this step by step, so hang with me. First thing we're going to do is open up Terminal on our Mac. If you're on Windows or Linux, you can also open up Terminal or PowerShell in order to do this alongside me. Then we're going to paste this command. This is SSH-keygin space -t space RSA. You can find this key in the help doc as well. And all this is going to do is generate our key. So then we can just click enter through all of these different commands. And once we get through these commands, then we will get our identification key here. Then we can just copy our key manually or using this command here. And then just like that, we can go back to our WordPress settings in HighLevel. We can add a key name. And then once we've added our key name, we can paste our public key here. You'll get this long section of text just like that. And then we can use a key passphrase if we want to. It's not necessary. And then we can click import. And once we've done that, our SSH key will successfully be imported into our WordPress site through HighLevel. Using this will allow you to use this SSH command here to access things like seeing all of the plugins on your site, clear the website cache or CDN cache, and so much more. It's a pretty straightforward process. Remember, just use your desktop terminal in order to create that key with that key generation command, then copy it with the second command, which both you can find in the help doc below. And then once you have your key, you can import it right into HighLevel. As always, I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.